Observe here in a triangle BAC, sin theta is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. AB is called 2A sin theta. So here, torque on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Torque on a. What do you mean by torque? Two equal and opposite forces will constitute a couple or torque or moment of force. This is one force, this is F1 force, this is F2 force. Two equal and opposite forces will constitute a couple. As I explained, so now a negative charge and positive charge, two equal and opposite charges separated by distance 2a. So AB is a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Placed in a uniform electric field. Now observe carefully, a line drawn from negative charge to positive charge is what is called dipole moment. This is minus q, this is plus q. Dipole moment is always pointing from negative charge to positive charge. Right? So now this dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. Dipole. What do you mean by uniform electric field? Right? This is the how to represent a uniform electric field. Right? Uniform close and parallel lines which are equidistant. Electric field lines are close and parallel and equidistant from each other is what is called as a uniform electric field. Whenever a dipole is placed in a uniform, this is minus q and this is plus q. This is minus q and plus q. This is a dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. It will constitute a torque or rotational effect. So this is the how to represent a uniform electric field. This is that how to represent a electric field lines are parallel and equidistant from each other is the representation of a uniform electric field. Now this here observe carefully minus. So this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of dipole moment. Dipole moment and electric field are acts at an angle of theta. Am I right? Dipole moment is pointing from negative charge to positive charge. These are all the electric field lines. These are all electric field lines. So many electric field lines are there. I have represented only one electric field line. Right? So therefore, this plus q. See, if electric field is exerting a force on plus q in this direction. Electric field is exerting force on minus q, opposite direction of electric field. See, electric field is in this direction, force on a negative charge is opposite direction of electric field. What happens now? F1 and F2. F1 is equal to plus EQ, F2 is equal to minus EQ. Am I right or not? F1 and F2 are equal in magnitude but opposite direction. They will constitute a couple. Hence that, dipole will start rotating. Observe carefully in a triangle. So, what is the angle theta? The angle dipole moment is P and the electric field is electric field is E vector. Dipole moment P and electric field is E. The angle between dipole moment and electric field is theta. If this is theta, even this is also theta because they are corresponding angles. Now in a triangle BAC, take sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse side. BC by AB. BC by AB. AB is 2A length, dipole length. Therefore, BC is equal to 2A sin theta. This is the complete mechanics of the diagram. Now, force on a positive charge. So here, this is the torque on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. This is our derivation. Now, what is the force on a positive charge? Am I right or not? From the definition of electric field, we know that. What is electric field, guys? Electric field E is equal to force experienced by a charge. Definitely. F is equal to what I can write here? E into Q. Can I write here? Right. For force on positive charge, force on plus Q. Force on plus Q due to electric field. Due to electric field E. Am I right or not? F1 is equal to what I can write here? Am I right? E is equal to F1 by plus Q. E is equal to F1 by plus Q. Therefore, can I write here? This implies, therefore, F1 is equal to plus E times of plus Q. Am I right or not? E times of plus Q. Therefore, F1 is equal to plus E into Q. This is how you got the derivation. Therefore, what is this? It denotes force on a positive charge. Please observe carefully. Force on positive charge. Force on a positive charge. Force on positive charge. Force on positive charge is along the direction of electric field. Along the direction of electric field. Force on a positive charge is along the direction of electric field. Similarly, force on minus Q due to electric field. See here, force on the minus charge is F2 is equal to, what I can write here, F2 is equal to minus E into Q. What I can write? Force on negative charge. Force on minus Q. Force on minus Q. That is force on negative charge is opposite to the direction of electric field. Force on negative charge. Force on negative charge is opposite direction of electric field. Please write down. Consider a dipole of length. AB is a dipole of length 2a. A line drawn from negative charge to positive charge is called as a axial line. The direction of dipole moment is pointing from negative charge to positive charge. Now this dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. E is the uniform electric field. The angle between the dipole moment and electric field is theta. So from the figure, so theta and theta are corresponding angles. We know the definition of electric field. Electric field E is equal to force experienced by a charge. Therefore, F is equal to E into Q. Therefore, what is the first step? Force on plus Q due to electric field. Force on positive charge due to electric field. E is equal to F1 by plus Q. Therefore, F1 is equal to E times of plus Q. Therefore, F1 is equal to plus E into Q. What it will this? This equation denotes force on a positive charge is along the direction of electric field. Force on a positive charge. F1 vector F1 is equal to plus E vector or Q times of E vector. Force on plus Q charge is along the direction of electric field. Similarly, what I can write here? Force on minus Q due to electric field is F2 is equal to minus EQ. Force on negative charge is opposite direction of electric field. Please write down. Therefore, what can I write? F1 and F2 are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Will constitute. Can I write? Therefore, F1 is equal to F2, which is equal to modulus of plus or minus E into Q. Am I right or not? F1 and F2 are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, will constitute a dipole. Therefore, from the definition of torque, what do you mean by torque? Torque, tau is equal to, can I write here? This is the symbol tau. Torque, tau is equal to force, modulus of force, right? Magnitude of force into perpendicular distance, right? Magnitude of force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Perpendicular distance between the two forces. Am I right or not? This is the force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Am I right or not? Therefore, can I write here? What I can write here? Therefore, torque tau is equal to force modulus of plus or minus EQ is EQ only, right? E into Q. E into Q into perpendicular distance is what? Perpendicular distance is BC. Therefore, torque tau is equal to EQ into BC is what I can write here. BC is 2A sin theta. BC is 2A sin theta. Rearrange the terms, group the terms. Therefore, this can be written as Q into 2A, Q into 2A, right? Into E into can write here sine of the angle theta. Therefore, what is torque? What is dipole moment? P E into sin theta. This is the expression will give us to only the magnitude of torque only. This is the expression only, it will give the magnitude only. I want to put it in the vector form. Torque tau is equal to, can I write here in the vector form. This can also be written as torque tau is equal to vector P cross E vector. This is the vector form. Please copy the things. This is the complete derivation of torque on a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Please copy the things. Very simple, guys. This is the definition of electric field definition only. Electric field E is equal to F by Q. Therefore, F is equal to E into Q. Force on a positive charge is along the direction of electric field. Force on a negative charge is opposite direction of electric field. Therefore, F1 is equal to F2 is equal to modulus of plus or minus EQ only, magnitude wise. F1 is along the direction of electric field, F2 is opposite direction of electric field. These will constitute a couple or torque. Therefore, torque tau is equal to force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Tau is equal to EQ into BC. BC is the perpendicular distance from F1 and F2. Observe carefully, F1 is along the positive x-axis, F2 is along the negative x-axis. The perpendicular distance between F1 and F2 is BC. Therefore, BC is 2A sin theta from the right angle triangle BAC. What is Q into 2A? Q into 2A is what is called dipole moment. Q into 2A, since right here Q into 2A. What is Q into 2A, guys? Q into 2A is equal to dipole moment, electric dipole moment. So this will complete about the torque on an electric dipole. When will be torque is maximum and minimum? So when is theta is maximum and minimum? That is the concept of discussion. So this is over. So we will discuss about when will be torque is maximum and minimum. So here this is a minus Q, this is plus Q. A line drawn from negative charge to positive charge is what is called as dipole moment. This is the direction of electric field. Electric field direction is here and dipole moment. This is theta. Theta is the angle between the direction of electric field and the dipole moment. So we got the expression for torque. So torque tau is equal to PE sin theta. Am I right or not? When will be torque is maximum and minimum? Case 1. One is torque is maximum and minimum. Am I right or not? What is case 1? See here, if dipole moment is parallel to the electric field. Dipole moment is parallel to electric field. See, this is the direction of dipole moment. Dipole moment is parallel to electric field means theta is approaching to 0. Therefore, theta is equal to 0 degree. Then if theta is 0, sine of 0 degree. What is sine 0 degree? Sine of 0 degree is equal to sine of 0 degree or sine of 0 radian is 0 only. Therefore, tau is equal to Pe times of sine of 0. Therefore, Pe times of sine of 0 is 0. Therefore, torque will become 0. Torque is minimum. This is the first case. Now, case number 2. What is case number 2? When dipole moment P is perpendicular to the electric field. So that is theta is equal to 90 degree. Sine of 90 degree is equal to what? Sine of 90 degree is equal to 1. What is the meaning of it? This is negative charge, this is a positive charge. The line drawn from negative charge to positive charge is what is called as dipole moment. Now, electric field is like this. Now, as theta is keep on increases, and this will be the dipole moment. So here it is the negative charge, here it is the positive charge. So as theta approaches to 90 degree, so this is the direction of dipole moment. Dipole moment is along the positive y-axis. It's along the y-o, y-dash, and electric field is along the x-axis. So therefore, what I can write here? Theta is equal to 90 degree. What is sine of 90 degree? Sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, tau is equal to Pe into sine of 90. Sine 90 is what? 1, and tau is equal to Pe, and it is maximum. Torque will be maximum when dipole moment is perpendicular to the electric field. Torque will be minimum when dipole moment is parallel to the electric field. Please write down this, guys. So here in this class we had a discussion on torque on an electric dipole. What do you mean by torque? Two equal and opposite forces. One force is like this and another force is like this. Then it will constitute a couple or torque. It is defined as the product of either of the magnitude of the charge and the distance separation between the two forces. Rotating tap, steering, the rotating effect of force is what is called torque. Here you place a dipole. Dipole means a negative charge and a positive charge separated by small distance. As I said, sodium chloride NaCl. Na plus is plus Q, Cl minus is minus Q. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. If this both Na plus ion and chlorine minus ion placed in an electric field, it will constitute a torque. That is what is called as torque on an electric dipole. Please copy the things. Okay, I'll continue in the next class.